Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about the different flaws that was discovered in Windows for the month of November, and we disclosed that in Windows itself there were two 0 days that were fixed, and or two critical flaws. And critical is the highest rank of flaws, and it's important to fix them. And of course, I mentioned that these elevation of privilege were done in a couple of places that I talked about in November. And of these flaws, the two critical flaws that affect Windows. One that has to do, of course, with the HMAC key derivation elevation of privilege, and the other one, which was a Windows Pragmatic General Multicast, are exploited in the wild. So this means that they are 0 days, that they are already known by hackers out there, and that even means that it's even more important to actually fix your Windows operating system this month. To answer a question about the flaws and who discovers the flaws in Windows, because that was an interesting question. So Microsoft does discover some of them. They have their own security team. And of course, these security researchers will find some of the flaws in its own products. But often a big majority of them are discovered by third-party security researchers. Remember that Microsoft has a program that pays for people that find security flaws. So there's a bug bounty program where if you find security flaws, the more the security flaw is important, like the critical ones that are 0 days, the more money you make. And that's the way that a lot of the flaws are discovered. So third-party security researchers, it could be security researchers at antivirus companies themselves. There's, of course, the Google 0 day team that actually works on checking out security flaws also, and Microsoft's own security researchers. So it's a bunch of people that are out there for our good, working on finding security flaws and then telling Microsoft, okay, you got to fix this. Here's how it exploits. Here's how it works. But sometimes some of them are discovered because they are exploited in the wild, and two of them are right now for Windows. Three are 0 days critical in all of Microsoft products. One is in Azure Cloud, but in Windows itself, it's two of them that are actually critical, that are actually exploited in the wild right now. So this, makes this security patch Tuesday for November even more important to fix, because critical does say it very well. It's super easy to exploit, and since they already know, this propagates. When hackers know how to exploit security flaws, this goes everywhere, and more hackers know about it. And that is why you got to apply these security flaws for both Windows 10 and 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.